What is AI? What does automation mean? Don't worry, this is the simple version. What is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's when machines are trained to mimic human thinking. They learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Examples of AI in daily life: your phone's voice assistant, AI; Netflix recommending movies, AI; spam filters in your email. Yep, that's AI too. AI is already all around you, quietly making life easier. What is automation? Automation means getting machines or software to do tasks on their own, especially repetitive ones. It saves time, reduces errors, and boosts productivity. Examples of automation: auto-reply emails, smart home lights, bank alerts when your balance drops from factories to your phone. Automation does the boring stuff so you can focus on more important things. How are they connected? AI is the brain. Automation is the action. Together, they power smart systems that learn and work for you. Why IT matters: AI and automation. Aren't just buzzwords. They read the future of work, education, health, and even creativity. Understanding the basics helps you stay ready, not left behind.